Na marega glona obe Anlo betray Eʋedome do Anlo kpla Akwamu over wapa klupa own brother Eʋedome. Biama, but what is the cause? What caused this war? If the person cannot tell you what caused this war, send this video to the person. And my global create a WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channel history bana the share fee come no pomla me gano drop on the WhatsApp channel let's learn the history together. Now, Nukejo, long ago, Ashanti, Akwamu, Pele, Anlo, they are like brothers and sisters. Ika Nshanu Kle Wone, as I do Abegba 2025, as I come do around Ropa, Hogbacho Zao Dua, Akwamu Fiagava, last 2 years or last year, a Bluetooth Fiavanka, they are still showing that solidarity, that support, they are still doing that today. Now, Nukejo, what brought this unity between these people is because of trade. At that time, I knew you can know Anlo stand. Anlo was one of the powerful states ever. The Gold Coast, the British Togoland, Anlo was one of the powerful states. That way, everybody is looking for support, looking for a brother or sister that can support them in terms of war or in terms of business. And Maglobe at that time reading history and Akparabe, there is nothing like Egba unity. I'm not even sure about because of the wars. When we read the wars, we read about the wars, and Akparabe is a bloody war. Go and watch Vikings. Nakpo Vikings and Anya Nui Kenyatogyu war, Miatogyu Nui Makoto. Now, what caused this war? In 18th centuries to 19th century today, Akwamu Ashanti or Wado Blawa, they control majority of the trades in Eʋedome. They control most of the trades at that time. Can we cover January? They were exploiting Eʋedome, picky people. Ika Nanu Kenya fight the Ashanti Akwamu. This is the story. I'll drop it on the WhatsApp channel, so follow. Nanu Kenya 5 cities Odra Ado Boglogaba, they should buy it 10 cities. And forcefully, over female first slave Ado Amado Ashanti Akwamu Katova Kova Le Eʋedome Akoko Ako Ida a Blunto Mavazu slave. You will be Nano chi a bruto ado miapa Eʋedome kodo chi a bruni badge. Ule na nchukle nyono ve koko slave a rovazu kluvina a blau at that time. I'm not talking about today. Long ago. Ka you've joined them ever for so long, they have been doing this for so long. Ka kojo day of Peki enya efiaika no Peki at that time. Nu you ever do for versus any you blubber we malong log a brow ado akubrockla kwamwa de onu ye fa mozamalekau. And he stood but no, and he waged war against Akwamu state. And at that time Akwamu broke out of this unity. Akwamu no adukishi that waged a war against Akwamu. Can you John Akwamu people saw this thing as a threat to them. And at that time already, they broke from Ashantis. Ado upapula Ashanti or Omagale, Omagale. They are not allies anymore. So they are on their own. Now, how can they win this war? The only immediate allies is Anlo. Because at the moment, they cannot control the trade in Eʋedome. They are losing their territory. And Eʋedome people too, they don't want to agree to that because Ali over you, Zame, you might like you. But the greatest warriors at that time are in Anlo at that time in 18th, 19th centuries. So they reach out to Anlo Bow. Your territory, so they should support them with warriors. This is by missionary Nuget Paul, 1914. I'll drop it. So in 1833 to 1834, about the card, they have a jolly Akwamu Pele Eʋedome. Ika Akwamu wa Obianglo be no na you over soja no okpedo no yo wapaya. Tamanya no nyabe Anlo ju kokata be hey, let's go and fight Eʋedome no. If you be a drone jole Akwamu wo kple Eʋedome ike Akwamu wa do blawa by force over no. Enu majegajio wom de Eʋedome no. Ike Eʋedome led by Togbi Kojo Day of Pekiba Yemanlon. Wo fu pepe de machine you tower. He has stand against, or stand in support of his people. Ike Akwamu already Akwamu a blow play Anlo when vel. Can join ma Akwamu already they don't have support from Ashantis because maso never get the Eʋedome. So their immediate support are the allies you can Anlo. So they reach to Anlo. That Anlo we need soldiers to support, or we need your support in this war. So the same time global Akpanja Burada. This war, the same thing happened. Yegba Maglobe got Donus Brim State. Now, about what happened after 30 years. I don't know, Joffy Eika Akwamu no Nia Womda Eʋedome no Eʋedome didn't reach out to Anlo. This is my question. Now, after 30 years, which is 1868 day. So, after 30 years day, you blow back whatever no, you might have control. So they want to reclaim their power. Do you know what they did? They sent 30,000 soldiers to Eʋedome. I said 30,000 soldiers to Eʋedome. And this was led by Adu Boafo, one of the greatest commander those days na Ebulao. He led this war to Eʋedome. 30,000 soldiers. And do you know how they destroy Eʋedome? And this is what caused the pain. This is what caused the pain. Where families were scattered. People don't want. It's like they burn the whole community. They destroy everything. And account of this war, I want to blame you now. This happened, but then this is the beauty of it. Even though the war truly divide families. You will beg Mado, she was so bitter. She was so bitter about the Anglos, and some people are still feeling that bitterness within their hearts. My brothers and sisters, history happens for us to learn. History is the roadmap to the future. So if we want to do something better, we have to learn from the past mistake and build a better region. So my global, this thing shouldn't divide us. Eʋedome, Anlo betray Eʋedome. No, that is not right. Let's understand history together. Let's understand the cost. Let's do it this time around. Let's I think that should be the right thing. Thank you guys so much.